for all things Hollywood. Welcome back, movie buffs, to another sizzling review from Hollywood Extreme. Today, we are diving into the steamy and suspenseful world of Dark Desire Season 1 and 2 on Netflix. Netflix's Dark Desire, Oscuro Deseo, a Mexican thriller drama, has captivated audiences worldwide with its intoxicating blend of lust, betrayal, and dark psychological suspense. Created by Leticia Lopez Margalli, the show skillfully weaves a tale of tangled relationships, infidelity, and the complex interplay of passion and deceit. Across its 2 seasons, Dark Desire keeps viewers on edge with jaw-dropping twists, shadowy secrets, and characters driven by dangerous, dark desires. Season 1, the firestarter of forbidden desires. The series begins by introducing Alma Solers, Med Peroni, a respected college professor, wife, and mother, whose seemingly perfect life takes a shocking detour. Feeling neglected by her husband, Leonardo, George Poza, Alma seeks a weekend escape with her best friend, Brenda, Maria Fernanda Yepes, to cope with her suspicions of Leonardo's infidelity. What Alma doesn't anticipate is a chance encounter that will irrevocably change her life. Enter Dario Guerra, Alejandro Spezza, the catalyst for chaos. Dario, a 23-year-old student, exudes youthful charm, mystery, and danger, a perfect storm for Alma's hidden vulnerabilities. Their passionate one-night stand is supposed to be a fleeting escape, but Dario's obsession with Alma turns their affair into a dangerous game. The chemistry between Alma and Dario isn't just physical, it's an entanglement of Alma's repressed desires and Dario's darker intentions. As Alma grapples with guilt, Dario manipulates his way into her professional and personal life. His calculated seduction forces Alma to confront her own identity, her desires, and the facade of her marriage. The web of infidelity and betrayal. Leonardo, Alma's husband, is far from innocent. His infidelity with a coworker mirrors Alma's betrayal but comes with even greater consequences. Leonardo's lies unravel layer by layer, revealing his connection to a secretive, dangerous past. Meanwhile, Brenda's tragic storyline takes a heart-wrenching turn, exposing her struggles with loneliness, self-worth, and unrequited love for Leonardo. Her eventual suicide becomes the series' emotional anchor, forcing Alma to confront not only her culpability but also her fragile perception of love and loyalty. The thriller element, a murderous mystery. The death of Brenda sets the stage for the suspenseful core of Season 1. As Alma, Leonardo, and Dario become embroiled in the investigation, buried secrets surface. Dario's enigmatic background and Leonardo's shady connections hint at a much darker conspiracy. The season crescendos with a shocking reveal. Dario is manipulating Alma and orchestrating a calculated revenge scheme linked to Leonardo. Themes of Season 1, infidelity as a mirror. Alma and Leonardo's betrayals reflect societal expectations of fidelity and the internal battles of desire. Psychological complexity. Each character embodies shades of grey, forcing viewers to question morality. Lust and power. The show explores how sexual desire and control intertwine, especially between Alma and Dario. Season 2. The spiral of obsession and revenge. Season 2 plunges deeper into the characters' lives, pushing the boundaries of obsession, vengeance, and toxic relationships. With Dario faking his death at the end of Season 1, the series reinvents itself as a psychological thriller where Alma becomes both predator and prey. Dario's return, a masterclass in manipulation. Dario reappears, now wealthier and more dangerous than ever. This time, he's married to Julieta, Ariana Saavedra, a woman whose presence further complicates the web of relationships. Julieta's dark past and insecurities make her a fascinating foil to Alma, who is now seeking liberation from her mistakes. Dario's obsession with Alma is no longer just about lust, it's about control. His calculated actions turn into psychological warfare as he seeks to destroy Alma's newfound independence while maintaining his grip on her emotionally and physically. Alma's transformation, from victim to survivor. In Season 2, Alma evolves from a passive participant in Dario's schemes to an active player in her narrative. She wrestles with her trauma, guilt, and attraction to Dario, all while uncovering the truth behind Giulietta's mysterious death. Alma's pursuit of justice leads her to confront Dario's deepest secrets, including the twisted dynamics of his upbringing. The complexity of Leonardo. Leonardo's character arc becomes even more pivotal in Season 2. As his obsession with uncovering Alma's secrets grows, he spirals into paranoia and desperation. His controlling nature is juxtaposed with moments of vulnerability, making him a deeply flawed yet human character. Themes of Season 2. The cycle of desire and destruction. Season 2 explores how the character's dark desires perpetuate a cycle of manipulation and tragedy. Power dynamics in relationships. The show examines how control, fear, and vulnerability shape Alma and Dario's bond. Liberation versus obsession. Alma's journey highlights the struggle to break free from toxic patterns while Dario's arc showcases the destructive nature of obsession. The show's key elements. What makes dark desire so compelling? Thrills and twists. From unexpected deaths to shocking revelations, every episode leaves viewers questioning the true intentions of each character. Cinematography and symbolism. The show's visual style uses shadows, warm tones, and mirrors to reflect the characters' emotional states and secrets. Nuanced characters. No one in Dark Desire is purely good or evil. Each character is driven by their own motivations, making their actions relatable yet unpredictable. Themes of forbidden love. The series delves into the consequences of giving in to temptation and the blurred lines between love, lust, and obsession. The endgame. Does passion always lead to destruction? By the end of Season 2, the show leaves audiences with more questions than answers. Alma emerges as a survivor, but the scars of her experiences linger. Dario's fate is sealed, but his shadow looms large. The series concludes with a haunting message. The pursuit of dark desires may offer temporary satisfaction, but it often leads to chaos and self-destruction. Why you should watch Dark Desire? If you're drawn to stories filled with psychological intrigue, morally complex characters, and a heavy dose of sensuality, Dark Desire is a must-watch. The series explores the extremes of human emotion, the consequences of unchecked passion, and the lengths people will go to for love, power, and revenge. And there you have it, the tangled web of passion, betrayal, and obsession that makes Dark Desire one of Netflix's most thrilling and addictive series. From its shocking twists to its deeply flawed yet fascinating characters, the show masterfully explores the darkest corners of human emotion and desire. Whether Alma struggles to break free from toxic patterns, Dario's relentless obsession, or the deadly secrets that keep unraveling, Dark Desire is a roller coaster of emotions that will leave you breathless. So, if you're ready to dive into a world where nothing is as it seems, hit play and let the drama consume you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into your favorite shows. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.